On this episode, we deliver the 59 El Camino to Mil-Spec bedliner, and we give you inside access to see exactly how this product is applied and how many different uses it has in the automotive industry.
Is this one of the craziest things you've ever towed?
No. But Mackey has a lot of crazy stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Chris. I am a shop manager here at Mil-Spec Liners Huntington Beach. And what we do here is we do the bedliner process for pretty much anything. We can do trucks, we can do undercarriage, we can do wood, we can do plastics, anything to kind of freshen up a vehicle. This is the spot. This coating is probably like, I would say 5 to 10 years old. It's been out here. We use it to door stopper. So we, spray the whole center block with the same kind of coating we use now, and inside and out. And let's just see if it breaks. Yeah.
Broken into 3 pieces with the coating.
It did damage it a little bit, but this thing would have shattered in pieces.
So you can coat anything.
Anything. Mackey brought us over this 1959 El Camino. It's already power coated, and our plan is to flip the vehicle upside down, and then we're going to put a nice, good, thick undercoat underneath with our Mil-Spec liner coating. The way we're going to do this is we're going to wire line. Pretty much what it is, it's tape with a thread wire in it. And we're going to run that all the way around the frame underneath and pretty much up this transmission will be sitting, just to protect it from rusting, rocks, and all that stuff. After we're doing that, we're going to throw some tape behind there and make a big bag over this whole entire vehicle.
As the crew gets started prepping the underside of this El Camino body, it is important to note that the performance of the bedliner solely depends on the preparation of the underside material. Mil-Spec bedliner is adamant about proper preparation, and as you can see here with their cordless grinder and a soft wheel, it makes heavy work fast and efficient. The crew sands every nook and cranny before this bedliner can be applied. Special care is given to the underside of the body. Now they're getting suited up, proper respirators of course. They're going to jump in the booth to spray the coating. Let's watch as they get after it.
I was talking with Mackey about different textures and stuff, so we want to make it easy for them to clean the undercarriage. Too much texture might add too much grip, so we're doing a finer texture, more of a flat, even texture. So we just did a base coat with the regular tip because it adds like the great amount of material down every time. This is going to be more on the thinner side, so we just use this one just for texture. This tip would actually come out like a fan. It comes out like that. So that tip's in there. It's a little bit different style. You kind of see that there. Yeah, and you'll see a difference how this thing sprays. It's pretty badass.
As Chris and his crew at Mil-Spec bedliner prepare for the second coat, he demonstrates how fast this product actually dries. This first coat was sprayed 10 minutes ago, but as Chris and I were talking, he told me this product actually dries within 5 seconds of exiting his spray gun. It's an incredible, durable, long-lasting product that I highly recommend if you have the opportunity to spray on the underside of your car. Do it. Let's watch again as his crew applies the second coat, making sure that the texture lays out perfectly. They have quite a dance move here as they lay down the perfect texture right out of the gun. Look at these moves. This guy would win a dance competition, no doubt. Look at how incredible this looks. These guys are true professionals and they laid this product down so nice and even. But just as I thought we were finished, Chris told me about another option that he offers with a polyurethane top coat, which gives it a little bit of gloss.
I mentioned to Mackey that the best thing to do for a project like this is get a nice glossy black. And the way we can do that is with the Mil-Spec liner UV top coat. We do the bed liner first, and then we will go over the whole entire vehicle with a kind of like a certain kind of paint that's going to really bond with the chemicals of the bed liner. And it just makes a really nice high gloss color, and it's just going to look really good even on exterior. Even though it's on the underside of the vehicle, just in case anyone looks underneath there, it's a nice flat texture with a nice beautiful gloss black paint on top.
Welcome back.
How's it look?
Amazing. Like always. Oh man. Yep. Woo. It's black, right?
Perfect.
Pretty black.
Perfect.
And the texture's good too.
Yeah.
Awesome. Everything's coated pretty thick, so all the edges, and we plug all the holes, covered up all the holes too. The gas in here got covered pretty good too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, everything came out great, dude.
Looks really good.
3 coats of paint on this thing.
No shit.
Make it black, dude.
Yeah.
And you can tell it's a lot more slippery.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, it's gonna look good though.
Oh man.
And then we got your wrap coated too a little bit, so that's some protection to it.
Yeah, that looks so good. Nice.
Here's their glove when they're finished working. The middle finger. As the crew finishes the coating, they blow out all the remaining dust and we flip the body over, unmask, and out the door she goes. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. I hope you learned something from this episode. And please remember, weekly videos every Friday at noon. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh, hey, do me a favor. Subscribe.
Reach out to us here at Mil-Spec Liners if you need a little fender coated if you wanted, even a paper plate. There's no job too big, too small. We can get it coated. Don't worry. We got you.
What's happening, everybody? Brian Mackey, Mackey's Hot Rod Shop, with our new YouTube channel, Mackey and Machine. Hey, we wanted to say thank you guys for all the new subscribers we have on the channel. We've been giving these packs away, shipping them right to the door. Now check it out. What are you going to win? Well, you're going to get a sweatshirt, you're going to get a Mackey shirt, you're going to get a beanie, a hat, stickers, all of it. But how do you win it? It's super easy. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. We keep track of all of our new subscribers. Every new 1,000 subscribers, we ship a box of merch right to your door. It's that simple. Now, the coolest part, we are giving away a 1940 Ford fenderless chopped and dropped hot rod to one lucky subscriber. 50,000 subscribers, we give one car away. So follow along. We appreciate it. The biggest thing you got to do, subscribe. That is it. Thank you guys for the support. We appreciate you. Stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.